Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best Turnik Kuat has to offer, the Kuat Tri-Dock. If you're a cyclist who cares about trail-side or home garage maintenance, this might just be the stand you've been waiting for. Let's get right into it. The Kuat Tri-Dock is a stable, folding, and collapsible aluminum tri-leg bike stand designed to work seamlessly with the NV 2.0 lineup. Right off the bat, its standout feature is the super simple clamp system. You don't need to fumble with complex mechanisms. The twist and push clamp securely locks your bike into place so you can focus on what matters: fixing or fine-tuning your ride. This clamp is intuitive and fast, which is a huge plus when you're trailside and don't have time to waste. Now, stability is key when you're working on a bike, and the Tri-Dock's three-leg design delivers. The tripod structure gives it a rock-solid foundation, preventing wobbling even when you're applying pressure, whether it's for gear adjustments, chain lubing, or brake tuning. It's the kind of confidence you need in a portable stand. Speaking of portability, this thing folds down easily. It's collapsible, which makes it perfect for cyclists with limited storage space or those who travel for rides. Whether you're packing it into your van for a race weekend or tucking it away in a corner of your garage, the Kuat Tri-Dock adapts effortlessly. Durability is another strong suit here. The stand is constructed from high-grade aluminum and finished in a striking orange anodized coating. It's not just eye-catching. That finish offers a protective layer against corrosion and wear, meaning you'll get years of use out of it. So if you're already in the Kuat ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. Let's not forget the rubber-covered legs. This thoughtful detail keeps the stand firmly planted while you work, and it also protects your floor. No scratches, no sliding around, just a clean, stable workspace. Weighing just 4 pounds and measuring 43 inches in length, this stand is lightweight without compromising strength. While it isn't technically foldable in the conventional sense where it snaps shut like a compact tool, its collapsible design still ensures easy storage and setup. Overall, the Kuat Tri-Dock is built with the cyclist in mind: intuitive, rugged, and reliable. Whether you're wrenching trailside or tuning up in your garage, this is one of the best maintenance stands out there, and in our opinion, the best Turnik Kuat makes. It blends function with finesse, and for those in the NV 2.0 family, it's a must-have. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more deep dives on the best gear out there. And drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Ride safe and wrench smart. We'll see you in the next one.